Hello everybody, welcome to my man cave. This is as brilliant as this man cave is ever going to be. Extraordinarily empty, extraordinarily echoey, and with a really beautiful floor, with beautiful paint, beautiful electrics, nice flickery things off the LEDs. It's May 15th, 2020, middle of the coronavirus pandemic, and we've made some great progress on this. This project started in 2006 when we got planning permission, and what we've got here is the side of the house, a new wall. Above us is a new bedroom, and we've got this very narrow room which was basically the alleyway at the side of the house, and it's now highly insulated, lots of electrics, and all ready to turn into a fantastic little steam engine manufacturing facility. Today's the day we start bringing stuff in here, so it will never be as nice as this again. This will be permanent. I doubt if anybody will ever want to paint these walls any better, and this floor will be very lucky if it gets some TLC up here after. So best to capture it. I should point out it's an extraordinarily fire resistant ceiling as well. 2 layers of plasterboard, plaster, 100mm of insulation as well, and intumescent sealant around the edges. You could have a raging inferno in here and not even know upstairs, which is kind of an issue actually, so I'm sure we'll have some fire detection at some point in the future. Thank you.